Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Wipro remaining onboarding official updates by the Wipro team. Wipro Q2 means the quarter 2 results is declared, as well as what about the important update related to onboarding. This video is very helpful because we will discuss about the onboarding as well as what about the on campus and 2023-24 hiring. Let's start the video. Okay, so basically I shared the actual update of Wipro in this video, and one of the most important point, if you wanted to check the official update means in the video format, so you can join this like you can check on the WhatsApp channel, okay, in which I uploaded one video of Wipro team that is related to the Wipro Q2 results, and that is related to onboarding. So the news is posted by Business Today and the news credit goes through this platform. Wipro Q2 result will honor past offer before going to campus, says CHRO, means Chief Human Resource Officer. So basically what Wipro team mentioned, that Wipro CHRO said that all offer letter would be honored. The IT services company attrition came in $15.5 in Q2. Saurabh Govil did not disclose the number of candidates awaiting onboarding. Okay, so basically IT major Wipro will honor the offer letter made to candidates awaiting onboarding at the company before visiting campuses to hire fresher. The company Chief Human Resource Officer Saurabh Govil said on Wednesday at post Q2 earning press conference. So on the WhatsApp channel you can check the official press conference video that is related, because we can't show directly on our YouTube channel. Okay, so you can just check on the WhatsApp group as well. So basically what they mentioned, that we will make sure we honor every offer letter we have made. There are still some people left to be onboarded and we will be doing that as we move forward. That's our intent, and we will be adding people in the upcoming quarter. So one of the most important point, quarter wise onboarding is there, okay, as well as in the quarter wise they will onboard the people, but they will not visit the campuses. Okay, they will not visit the campuses before onboarding, means the first priority is onboarding. So it is a good news for all of you that according to your according to your role, elite, WILP or other role like turbo role or other role, they will share you the details that is related to onboarding according to quarter wise, and after that they will visit the campuses. Okay, the onboarding is the first priority, but my suggestion is still same. Okay, we don't know about the exact timeline of the Wipro onboarding, so you can apply for the new opportunities on our channel as well. Okay, as well as the company mentioned the revenue that is related to the Q1 and Q2, and there are so many important points. Also, CHRO did not disclose the number. Several candidates with job offer from Wipro have been awaiting onboarding at the company since September 2021. Okay, so basically this is the news that is related, and it is updated on the 18th October 2023. So my main point is, say they will honor all the past offer. Okay, and after that there will be new hiring announced from the Wipro team that is related to the on campus or the official elite Wipro elite NTH hiring, okay, or the other turbo hiring or NTH hiring. So basically the first priority is onboarding, and after that they will go to on campus. So if you are waiting for Wipro, as well as I am suggesting you to apply for the opportunities on our channel, as you can check that we are sharing the so many different opportunities for all of you. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.